Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Luma AI for free and create amazing 3D visuals and AI videos without spending any money. So if you're a beginner, don't worry, this will be super simple. First, what is Luma AI? Luma AI is a powerful tool that lets you create realistic 3D models and AI-generated videos just using your phone or browser. It's perfect for content creators, YouTubers, and even beginners who want to try something new. Now let's get started. Step 1. Sign up. Go to the Luma AI website or download the app from the Play Store or App Store. Then create a free account using your email or Google account. The free plan is enough to get started, so you don't need to pay anything. Step 2. Choose what you want to create. Luma AI mainly offers two cool features. One is 3D capture, and the other is AI video generation. If you want to create a 3D model, open the capture option. Now use your phone camera and slowly move around an object, like a chair, a toy, or even a room. Make sure the lighting is good, and move steadily for best results. After recording, upload the footage. Luma AI will process it and turn it into a realistic 3D model. This might take a few minutes, so just wait. Step 3. AI video generation. You can also create cinematic videos using AI. Just enter a text prompt, for example, a futuristic city at night, and Luma AI will generate a video for you. You can experiment with different prompts to get creative results. Step 4. Download and share. Once your model or video is ready, you can download it or directly share it on social media or YouTube. Now let's talk about free limits. The free version has some limits on how many projects you can create, and processing speed may be slower. But it's still more than enough to learn and create amazing content.